Hi, my name is Lauren Dunning, and I'm currently taking computer science and software engineering. And recently, we have been working with Arduino microprocessors and breadboards and how to power LEDs and make them blink. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I test different resistors using a multimeter to measure how many ohms are in it. A resistor is a tiny little piece of metal wire that you'll see in this video in just a second that resists the amount of power that flows through something, so too much power doesn't supply to it, and hazardous things could happen. So a resistor reduces the amount of power that can go through, and there's different levels of resistors with different levels of ohm, which is the measurement to measure resistors, and you can see that right here with this Greek symbol. And so I'm going to be showing you a 100, a 200 ohm resistor, a 1000 ohm resistor, and an 8000, 9000 ohm resistor. So here I have my multimeter. It's set to 200 right now because I'm preparing to test for the 200 resistor that I have. There's my 200 resistor right there. I'm putting the metal probes, the negative and the positive, red and black probes, up to the resistor on the correct anode and cathode sides. And you can see right here, it's reading about 195, which is in the range of 200, so it's close enough to call it a 200 ohm resistor. So that's that one. And then next I go to pick up the 1000 ohm resistor. And I forgot to change it here, so you'll see me change the dial to 2000 here, so it's in the range of the 1000. And here you'll see it's going to measure 996, which again is in the 1000 appropriate range. And then last, I'm going to move it up to 20K, so it's in the appropriate range to measure for an 8000, 9000 resistor. And it's going to measure about 8.3, so it's going to be about 8300 ohm. So those are my three different resistors that I measured with my multimeter. And then next, I'll show you what it looks like when I connect it with the LEDs. So here you can see I have my breadboard, and I have my wires connected to my Arduino off camera, and I have my wires dumping my tracks. And here are my three LEDs, and these are the three different resistors that I tested with my multimeter in the last video. And this one is the 200 resistor, this one's the 1000, and this is the 8000 resistor. So you can see that this one is this one's brighter, this one's about a medium brightness, and this one's about a low brightness. It's because this one is the 9000, it's resisting more than what the 200 resistor is resisting. So that's why the brightness is less than that of the 200 or the 1000. So that is how resistors work, and that is how they interact with LEDs and the breadboard. And I will see you in the next video where I describe how I programmed the Arduino to make LEDs blink. Bye, thanks for watching.